they must always go horizontally before moving vertically. And that is most of the assignment here. If you look on the homework that they're going to be having this week, they are mainly just locating points, but then also they get to, they have to place some of these points on here. When they draw something, by the way, if I look at this one here, when I asked them to draw a circle that's at 9.5, I'll just do this with my pencil. Again, some students might be tempted to count the squares and go, well, is this 9 or is this 9? Is this 9? Is this 9? And they might decide, well, I'll put it short of 9, or I'll put it more than 9. And then they would go up 5, see what was it here, 9.5. They go up to 5, and maybe they decide to go short, and so they think they have to draw any square, but that's not what this this coordinate right here is saying. It's at 9.5, so this means they move over to the 9, they go up to the 5, and they're looking for where the intersection of the two lines is, and they would draw, in this case, a circle that was around those spaces. They wouldn't draw it inside of the square because it's precisely at 9 and 5. If you were to do this one here, for example, if this were a point that were plotted, it would probably be something like 8.5, 4.5. That would get you to this point right here. So that's why it's fully 9 and fully 5. So thank you for your help reviewing with students. We'll be moving on to something a little bit more complex, but this is a good place to start, a good place for students to remember.